Let's take a look at the aftermarket sales for the flowing hair silver medal and gold coin. This is going to be my final report on this. The series seems to have flattened out and prices are pretty stable from all-time highs, except for one item, and we'll take a look at that in a second. Silver medal, just the regular coin. As you can see, we're at 226. Sealed package, 539. MS70s, 340, and the 69s, 227, which is not surprising. That and the raw normally equalize, and they're pretty steady, and that seems to be what's happening now. The privy, again, we're pretty flat. The only thing that took a little bit of a jump to all-time highs was the MS69, and the signed COA is down a little bit from all-time highs, but still pretty flat from previous week. So the numbers are still really good. If you got the privy, you're making some really good money. The gold coin, the raws, pretty flat from the previous report. The only difference that's happening, as I had mentioned, is the 70s. And the reason for this, as I mentioned in the previous report, is the big dealers are setting the pricing on that. So they jacked their price up, and that was the price of admission. And once they started realizing sales, then you and I, the average seller, followed suit. And because of that, from the previous report, the price went up to $52.65, where it was around $4,800. So that seems to be the new floor on this. I'll keep an eye and look at these every once in a while, and if there's something drastic that happens, then I'll update the report. But I think I'm gonna, like I said earlier, I'm just gonna put this to bed. Nothing earth-shattering or anything shocking is coming out of these reports. So until next time, 73.